In this video, we are going to find the area under the standard normal curve that lies to the left of several z values. So I'm going to show this in two ways. I'm going to pick up here in part B, if that's all right. And I'm going to show this one way using the table and the next way using StatCrunch. And after you've experienced the table a few times, I highly recommend that you use StatCrunch from here on out for problems like these. So let's start with the table of values for areas under the normal curve. For this first part, well, actually the second part rather, z is negative 0.26. So I'm looking for negative 0.26 z value, which are listed here to the tenths place in this first column, and then to the hundredths place along this first row. And you can actually think of this, though, as labels for all of the rows and all of the columns. We want to find a z-score that is negative 0.2 and then 6. So I'm going to come back up to the headings real quick. 0.06 lies right here. So I'm going to scroll back down. Notice I'm keeping my mouse on that particular column. And I want to find the row that was negative 0.2. And then this column represents hundredths place of sixth. And I see this value. I know it's kind of small. Let me zoom in a little bit more. It's 0.3974. Okay, but that table is kind of massive and my eyes kind of blur, looking at that table. So let me show you another way using StatCrunch and StatCrunch's normal calculator. So let's open up the normal calculator in StatCrunch to find the area to the left of z equals negative 0.11. So we go to Stat, Calculators, and Normal. What we're first presented is the standard normal curve. It has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. What we want to find is the area to the left, so that's the correct direction, of negative 0.11. That was our given z value in part C. When we click compute, we see a visual of that, what that looks like in the actual standard normal curve, shaded in red. And here is that area that we want. I really like using StatCrunch for this because I can highlight to at least 4, maybe 5 decimal places if I need it for rounding purposes. And then Control C and Control Paste, or Control V to paste, and a little bit simpler like that. Then I'm not misreading digits or anything else. And this last one to the left of, the area to the left of z equals negative 0.47. So we can change this value real quick. Everything else is already set up. And I see I'm going to need to round that 1 up, but I can still copy what I have and paste it over here, rounding that 1 up to a 2.